Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to create a drop-down menu. So in this drop-down menu, you can able to see the toggle. So let us create a new file. So which we are going to save it as a drop-down HTML. So we have saved the file as a drop HTML. So let us type the program. Here I am going to type the HTML tag. Within the HTML tag, I am going to type the head section. So next, the title of the page which I am going to give is page with drop down menu. So next, what I am going to do is, here I am going to add the meta tag. The meta tag character set equal to UTF-8. The next meta tag which we are going to give, we are going to set the device width and the viewport and the content equal to width device width. So which I am going to specify initial width of a particular device which is 1.0. The scale is 1.0. So next I am going to provide the link tag. The link relation equal to style sheet and the particular type equal to text or CSS. So which will recognize the text, and here we are going to give the hyperreference where we are going to save the style sheet which we are going to specify drop.css. Next, we are going to close the tag of a head section, and here we are going to begin the body tag. So now we are going to type the body section, and the body section we are going to create a nav bar. So now here we are going to create the nav. So now within the particular tag we are going to create a division tag, and by creating a division tag we are going to specify the class. The class name is popdown. So next, within that we are going to specify the paragraph tag. The name of the para which we are going to specify is drop down. So now we have specified is drop down menu. So now what we are going to do is, here we have specified the unordered list tag, and we are going to specify the list item. So basically what we are going to do is, we are going to create a hyper reference. So whatever the items you are going to use on it. So here we have given a hash which is going to self reference, and we have closed the anchor tag. So the home is a particular hyper reference which will be listed in the list. In a similar manner, we are going to create another list of items. So home, and here we are going to create a about. So next, here I would like to create another particular tag, another order list under this particular list items. So where I am going to specify the list item which I am going to specify what are the items under the about. So about a company which you want to specify, you can able to specify that particular item about the company. So here I am going to specify the about us. So next, we are going to copy the same content. We are going to type here. Here we are going to type the vision, and we are going to type the mission in a similar manner. So next, success stories. If you want to type, you can able to specify, and if you want to close the unordered list, you can able to close the unordered list. So next, what I am going to do is, I am going to create some other tags, so which you want to specify. So here we have created a tag about. So next we are going to create a tag called products. So next, product tag which we have specified, and here we are going to change the what are the products they are going to sell. So software products, hardware products, and if any products are there, IoT related products they are going to sell. So next, we are going to copy the same content of these particular items, and what I am going to do is, I am going to paste this one. So a better thing is, you need to plan all about these particular items. Here you need to close the list item tag at the end of the particular tag, because whatever the unordered list you have specified, that one should be specified at the end. So now it is going to show in the subsection of the particular unordered list. So next, copy this one, and what I am going to do is, I am going to paste the same content, and here I am going to rename the content what are the services available. So now here we are going to specify the operating system services, and here we are going to specify the cloud services, and the next item which we are going to specify is CRM. So next business intelligence, so BI we are going to specify ERP and BI, ERP and again BI. So now I am going to create a similar tag, so which is home. So now I have copied that particular item, contact us. So now you can able to see the preview. So how the items are look like. So this is a basic thing which we need to create is drop.css. Create a new text file, and we can able to create a file. So which is drop.css. So now I have saved the file which is drop.css, so where the effects will be applied. Initially we are going to specify the body tag, and where we are going to specify height equal to 100 vertical height, and whereas we are going to specify the width, so which is we are going to specify 100 pixels, 100% of the particular height. So next we are going to specify the background color. So we whatever the color we are going to set, that particular color will be applied there. So next we need to set the background image. For setting the background image, what we have done is we have copied that image in the snipping tool, and we have set that particular background image, so which we are going to save it as a bg image, a HD image, so that BG image where you are going to specify. So now what I am going to do is I need to specify the dimensions of the particular image which will be applicable to the background. So it was aligned the size of the image to the background. So now we need to set the background position is center. So now what we need to do is we need to set the size of the background as a cover. So if you are going to set the cover, it is going to cover the entire page. So because of that reason I have set the background color is cover. So if you want to repeat the background, you can repeat. So here I have specified no repeat. So now we need to set for the navbar height equal to 75 pixels. So and the width we are going to specify the width, which we are going to specify the 100% of the particular width. So now background color is aquamarine. So instead of that we are going to specify the another color which is black. So now we have set the color, background color is black, and the other properties which we can able to set. So now we are going to create within the navbar. So what class we are using, what are the properties which we are using inside. So now we are going to use a within the navbar. So we are going to specify the which particular item we are using inside the navbar. So we are having a division tag, and the class which we are going to use is pop down. So for that we are going to specify the whatever the properties you would like to apply for the pop down. So now what I am going to do is I am going to specify color of the particular items. So color which we have specified is B. So next that is for background, and the font size we are going to specify is 33 pixels, and if you want to capitalize that particular font, what I am going to do is, so font weight I have specified bold. So next what I am going to do is, and we are going to specify the pop down. So now for the paragraph it is going to float for left, so it has floated for the left menu. So next we need, what I am going to do is, so text transform uppercase. So once we have transformed uppercase, it is transferred to uppercase, and the letter spacing is 1.5 pixels. So next what we have given, so we have given another list and a list item in this particular context. So now what you are going to specify is another list. So now what you would like to specify, so float, so which particular float you are going to specify right. It has aligned to the right side. The next what I am going to do is, we need to specify the another list item and the another list. So we need to specify within the neighbor another list and list item. So now we are going to display the particular content is inline block. So it has adjusted in the inline block. So earlier it was in the scattered manner, it has adjusted to the inline block, and we are going to specify the position is relative, and if you want to specify you can specify the position is absolute. So now the next thing what I am going to do is, and within the list item, so and again we have created a anchor. So now anchor is used for navigating one page to another page. So we are going to set the color. So initially it is showing blue color and we have specified aqua, so it is not showing in that particular background image. Adjusted that particular color into some other color. So now we have specified RGB. So next, text transformation, so uppercase. So if you have specified text transform uppercase, it has converted from lowercase to uppercase. So here text decoration is given none. So if you want to specify some other decoration, you can specify the decoration of the text. So here font size which is specified is 17 pixels. So next we are going to make the display, so is block. So it is going to display in the block. So otherwise you can display inline block. So now padding we are going to specify 0 pixels to 25 pixels. We are going to type, so anchor list. So within the anchor list what we have typed, so whenever you are going to place the mouse over the cursor, so that particular effect should be applied. So which we can specify the color width smoke. So next we are going to specify the navbar in navbar list item, and again within this anchor tag. So we are going to specify the class name dot specify the class name active. So whenever you are going to place the mouse on the active mode, so the color should be specified is brown. What we are going to do is we are going to specify the background color is dark blue. So next we are going to specify, so here we have specified another list items in AV. So next we are going to specify that for another list items, so position is absolute. So then we are going to set the background color is dark green. So now it has been set to dark green color, and again we are going to set the display. So display is block, so where it is going to show in the block. So next what it is going to do is we are going to specify whatever the what I need to specify is, so here for body we need to have some kind of adjustments. The next what we are doing is we are going to specify the universal selector star. So next what we are going to specify a margin. So margin equal to 0 pixels and padding equal to 0 pixels. Then it has adjusted to the right corner of the size. So now we are going to specify the box size, so which is a border box. So now it has adjusted at the top corner, and we are going to specify the font family as Georgia and Times New Roman. So here if you want to change the to different color, you can change into different colors. So now it was initially green, and so now here it was width equal to 200 pixels which we have specified. Now another list item, which whenever you are going to place the mouse over on the another list item on the anchor, so the width will be 200 pixels. So now here we are going to display at that particular position at the top. So next what we need is we need to get the menu clearly. So we have specified changing the color. We have again changed the color, and again if you are going to notice, so here we would like to change the color. So whenever you are going to place the mouse over, so here I am going to change the active color is green. So next here I am going to change the color, so which is I am going to mention the background color is yellow green, and again here color is black, so which is active color. So next if you want to so instead of that brown color we are going to change the color to cyan, so it is not visible. So here we are changing the color to violet. So now we have got this one, but it is going to show the that whenever we are going to drop down the position, so that is 100 pixels, and again we are so we would like to change the 200 pixels. So now it has been adjusted to the specific rate. So now we have seen all the contents which has adjusted correctly. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.